Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Podio for investors CRM and deal tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Podio for investors CRM and deal tracking, start by creating a free Podio account if you don't already have one. Visit the Podio website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Fill in your details to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Podio app marketplace. Search for CRM templates or deal tracking applications. Choose a CRM app that suits your investor needs. Click on Add to My Workspace to import the app into your Podio account. After the app is added, customize it based on your specific requirements. You can modify fields like investor details, deal stages, and status updates. To add new fields, click on the Add Field button. Select the appropriate field type, such as text, number, or drop-down, to suit your data. Once your fields are set up, start entering investor information and deal details. Ensure that all relevant data is collected for each deal, including amounts, dates, and notes. To track deals effectively, utilize Podio's status functions for each opportunity. Set reminders and notifications to follow up with investors accordingly. You can also group deals by investor or deal type for better organization. To analyze performance, use Podio's reporting features. Create customizable reports to review your investment activities over time. Make sure to regularly update your data to keep everything current and accurate. Explore integrations with other tools if needed to enhance your workflow. Finally, take advantage of Podio's mobile app to manage your CRM on the go. This setup will streamline your investor relationship and deal tracking process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.